Ka Nirmala Sitharaman Myntri Badikmi Yakatanat Platinka ke Sorkar India Shibenta na ka Kren jangka kum ka kongsan ha ka yalang play ya ki project ki digital library bat ka Samsung Pisa sya kinong yo mentoy Halarity International Center for Performing Arts and Culture New Shillong ha ka khatway tarik unaitung arajar pesan kala Kren Halor santli ki Kyntien Shong Sbai ki babatay ya ka rukom ka jaj Khasi bat ka daya ru ya ka Shempang ha penyari kini Kyntien. Haga ni kajing yalang laidon lang do Myntri rang ba ka jela ukon ki sangma ki Myntri Sorkar jela ki MLA ki ofisa Sorkar ki bamikmat na ki bang lem ki wei pan. Kasi haraman kum kawai na ki Myntri Sorkar India ba pro jabing bha kala Kren ningkong ya ka im tip breu tip lay bat ka kamay ya ka hok ka tip kur tip kha ka im lang sa lang bat ka mayram o ki ringko ki basa. Haba penyar benya ya kini ki Kyntien ha ka Kyntien English ka Myntri kala ai Ïaroh ya ka Shempang u Khasi Halor kini ki Kyntien hikai ki ba omday ban kinria na ki la ha ka im ka yat ka yang ne ka tray ka kta.
I wanted to say that this is a message which I've imbibed from the Khasi people. Pardon me for my pronunciation, but I like to take this opportunity when the entire cabinet of Meghalaya is here. People of Meghalaya are before me. I'm taking a risk in my pronunciation, but I utterly value these 5 great principles. They are very consistent with what India and globally all of us are doing. Ka tip brew tip blai. I don't know if it's making sense. Ka tip brew tip blai. If you want to know God, know man first. Meaning, to know man is to know God. So if you really are keen to live your life with the blessing of God, live with knowing man. So I salute Khasi people for this one brilliant guiding wisdom that we've heard. The second, Ka kamai ya ka hok. I hope you're not laughing at my pronunciation. But ka kamai ya ka hok is very important to me. You earn righteousness. Meaning, doing business with integrity actually resonates with the core of responsible, sustainable business practices. So we are trying to build businesses, we want FPOs, we want to sell our pineapples, and we want to reach the world with all the great artisanry that we've got here. But we also have to earn righteousness for all this to succeed. And that has to get infused in the policy making that we do. So that is something, again, I bow to the Khasi language for having given that virtuous line. The third, Katip kurtip kha. I hope I'm all right. Respect for kinship and community. So unless the essence of what all of us are doing is reflective of the respect that we have for our relatives, for our people, for our community, from where we grew, from where we learnt our values and virtues, what use is it if I succeed? So, ka tip kur tip ka. We have to respect kinship and community. And again, thanks for the wisdom of the Khasi people for having come up with these golden words. The next, ka balang ka imlang. I'm okay? Ka balang ka imlang. Meaning what you do should be for the common good. You cannot be so righteous, or you cannot be so clever, or you cannot be so successful that you succeed, but you succeed at the cost of somebody else. You succeed, but your community gets nothing out of it. You succeed, but it's not for the common good, it's purely for your selfish good. No. Khasi people have in their wisdom said, do what is for the common good. Of course you do for your good as well. but do for common good. It's a foundational principle, which is what is today's sustainability, shared prosperity. You get all this from the Western world today. They tell you that every policy, unless it is going to be for the common good, we shall not fund from the World Bank, we shall not fund from so and so and so on. In very many different ways they say it. But isn't that the wisdom of the Khasi people? Is it something new for us? Didn't we know about it? But when it is being reminded, we have to doubly remind ourselves that that's all right. We respect that. But our people have said it here in the Khasi land. Our people, our headmen have told this to every villager. Our people have said this among one another. Our youth may be in a hunger to move forward so that they can achieve their goals. But the wisdom of our people cannot be forgotten. We have to remind ourselves that wisdom of Khasi language. And the final point is May Ramu. And there's something else, one more bit. Kyrwoh ki basa. Reverence for nature. Absolutely important in this day and age when we are talking about climate action. There's no point if we forget to respect nature. That's what has given us the blue sky, the green, valleys, the mountains with the wonderful trees, the wonderful freshwater streams, the lakes, the beauty of Meghalaya, the clouds. You're passing through clouds every day. What fortunate people to live in Meghalaya. Breathing fresh air, drinking water which quenches the thirst. I cannot but every time I drink water in Meghalaya say this. Water quenches thirst in Meghalaya. There are places where I drink water, it fills my belly, but no, thirst is still there in my tongue. Beautiful state, beautiful people, wonderful blessing of the nature, and that's why you have said in your language, respect nature. Mai Ramu Kyrwoh ki basa. Wonderful message. I'm sharing your message to you. Pardon me if it is some kind of a transgression. But this is what I think I would take away home, because these are messages which are very relevant for today's governance, and the ancient wisdom of the people of this land is relevant even today for all of us. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.